2-day detox plan to clear your body of toxins, boost your energy, restore your vitality, and improve your overall health. Long-haul presentation to poisons, environmental pollutants, cancer-causing chemicals, preservatives, pesticides, heavy metals, and industrial waste may influence your general well-being and prosperity. Among their possibly unfriendly impacts, these poisons may develop in your framework, anticipate weight reduction, and lead to illness. Long-haul introduction to poisons may build your danger of stroke, coronary illness, neurological infection, or much malignant growth. It might prompt a bargained-in vulnerable framework, making you inclined to colds and influenza and influencing your profitability and personal satisfaction. It might influence your body's capacity to consume fat, adding to weight gain. It might likewise prompt absence of vitality, exhaustion, mind haze, rest issues, stomach-related issues, migraines, joint torment, cerebral pains, skin issues, dark circles around the eyes, and then some. Yet detoxification is a compelling method to clear your group of poisons, support your digestion, help your vitality, re-establish your vitality, avert weight gain, and enhance your general well-being. It's tied in with purging and sustaining your body from the back to front. It's tied in with evacuating poisons and nourishing your body with sound supplements. The accompanying 2-day detox plan may help detox your lymph, lungs, liver, digestive organs, and kidneys. You ought to do the detox 2 times each year. You ought to likewise remain all around hydrated, drink birch, vex and dandelion tea, get customary exercise, and attempt to lessen your worry for most extreme advantages. 2-day detox plan recommended for the weekend. In the morning on an empty stomach, drink 250 milliliters of lukewarm water. Saturday, breakfast, 250 milliliters of Greek yogurt or green tea, 200 milliliters of diet yogurt or almond milk, a cup of oat flakes, 1/2 cup of fresh blueberries, a tablespoon of linseed and warm water. Lunch, 2 cups of tomato or arugula salad, Swiss chard, 250 grams grilled hake, 1 small banana, 1 slice of melon, olive oil, potato and 250 milliliters of water. Dinner, 250 milliliters of water or anise tea, and a smoothie from spinach, celery, banana and apple, and also 1/2 cup of steamed veggies, spinach and broccoli. Sunday, breakfast, green tea, a tablespoon of linseed, a cup of oat flakes, 200 milliliters of diet yogurt or almond milk, and a pear. Lunch, veggie soup, beans, potato, carrots, onions, celery and pepper, 200 grams of grilled chicken, 15 og of pickles, and 250 milliliters of water. Snack, grapefruit. Dinner, nettle tea, lemon juice with beets and carrots, and a smoothie from almonds, banana, berries, spinach, kale and cucumber. For more health advice, be sure to like us and follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to turn on the notification button to be notified of the new videos from us.